Back in September of 2021, Visa announced 3 major new benefits with SHIPT, Skillshare, and Sofar Sounds for millions of cardholders. And in today's video, we'll be going over SHIPT, which is one of the most convenient expedited shipping programs I have ever seen. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. Now, if you happen to classify yourself as a human being on planet Earth, then you're probably aware that we've all been going through this thing called a pandemic. And for a lot of people, that has led to a huge cutback in going out in person to do a lot of shopping and errands. And that has given rise to a massive acceleration in at-home delivery services, and SHIPT is one of them. Now, if you're unfamiliar with SHIPT, it's currently available in over 5,000 US cities, giving you the ability to order items from over 100 different retailers delivered straight to your door, often on the same day. It's primarily used for grocery stores, but you can also order from pet stores, drug stores, liquor stores, and other big box retailers like Target and Costco. And one of the cool things is that a lot of these shipping speeds can be faster than Amazon Prime. I'm talking like within 1 or 2 hours. But similar to Amazon Prime, this is a members only or subscription-based membership, so it does cost $99 per year, and it gives you access to free shipping for orders that are $35 or more at a bunch of different retailers. But if you happen to be a Visa card holder, that $99 annual fee for this program can actually be cut in half for a period of time, or even gotten rid of completely for up to 3 years. So if you want to cut down on the amount of time you spend running errands around town and all the driving time that goes along with that, this could actually be a great service for you to look into, especially if shipping is free. So since I've personally never used SHIPT before, but I do have some Visa credit cards, I'm actually going to sign up myself and walk you through the process so you can see what is involved. And then once I'm enrolled, I'll even go buy something to test out the entire experience from start to finish and let you watch it as well, so that way you can really see if it'll be a good fit for you and your lifestyle and if it's worth investing in. Okay, so now let's go to shipt.com/Visa, and I'll of course link this down below in the description for you all to get easy access to it if you just want to click on it. So here's the landing page. It says right here, as I zoom in a bit, try free delivery on orders of $35 or more by enrolling your existing Visa consumer credit card. From groceries to household essentials, we'll deliver it all in as soon as 1 hour. Pretty awesome benefit. You enter your zip code to get started there. So let's scroll down a bit further. There are 3 main tiers, or basically different types of Visa cards. I'll scroll in a little bit here. At the very bottom is a regular Visa consumer card. So if your card just says Visa in the bottom, then this is the benefit level you'll get. So regular Visas get 1 month of free SHIPT membership, then 3 months at 50% off. I believe it's $99 per year. Then if you have a Visa Signature credit card, you'll get 3 months of free SHIPT membership, then 9 months at 50% off. So by the way, here's my US Bank Cash Plus card right here. You can see Visa Signature there in the bottom. So if yours says Visa Signature, you'll be able to get that level of membership. And then for Visa Infinite, which is the highest tier of Visa's ecosystem, you'll be able to get 3 years of free SHIPT membership. So for that, I will be using my US Bank Altitude Reserve card right here. Where is it? This is a vertical card. So I'll switch that over. You can see Visa Infinite there in the bottom. Let's scroll on down a bit further. Do be aware, however, as we scroll up a tiny bit and in, that the free delivery applies to orders of $35 or more, and orders of alcohol may incur a $7 alcohol fee. So just be aware of that if you want to get some booze. So yeah, that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and scroll back to the top and get started here. Okay, so now I can continue with Apple, Google, or Facebook, or my email, which is what I will choose to do, but I don't yet have an account. So that's right down here, by the way. If you don't have an account, you can click here to sign up, which I will do. Sign up with email. Let me type that in. Okay, then it wants my full name, so first name and last name on the same line, plus a password. I'll do that right now. And apparently that's all there was to it. So now on this screen here, it says, welcome to SHIPT. Tell us where to deliver and we'll find stores nearby. Okay, and now it shows me some stores near me that are eligible for local delivery. So I'm gonna choose Target. Okay, so I've been wondering at what point during this sign-up flow will they ask you for your Visa designation, and now is when it occurs. So it says, check which benefits your card qualifies for. Visa Signature, you can scroll around here, Visa Infinite, than all rather standard Visa consumer cards. So you can see the benefits one more time here. So I'll now take my US Bank Altitude Reserve card and type in the 16 digits down here and then submit this form. Nice, my card is eligible. So here's what it says now. Your Visa Infinite Consumer Credit Card gives you up to 3 years of free shipped membership. So again, orders for $35 plus. It tells me when it expires as well, on December 31st, 2025. So I'm actually going to screenshot this right now. Looks good. What else do we have? Other perks. Up to roughly 1 hour delivery, personal professional shoppers, handpick my items, save an average of 2 hours a week on driving and shop time. Yeah, cool. So let me now enroll. I'm now enrolled, so I can now start shopping or browse exclusive deals or see account details. I will start shopping. Let's go ahead and do an actual purchase really quickly here. So I'm gonna search for a Target order. Let's do men's, let's see, Hanes V-neck t-shirt black. I've been wanting to get some of these. They've been out of stock in so many places. And let's try one of these orders. Okay, so I found this one here. This seems to be what I want. Size medium, add to cart, and then choose a quantity of, let's do 5 of these. Move my picture over to the left side so I can see my cart up here in the top right. $39.95, that looks good. I'll go ahead and view my cart. Nice, okay, so free delivery qualified, that looks good. Let's go ahead and check out. Okay, so now I can choose what to do if this happens to be out of stock. They can either contact me, do not substitute, or choose something else as a backup. Maybe there's some more options here. All right, so now it says you're enrolled. Use the same Visa credit card you entered during enrollment ending in super secret digits to apply benefits to your order. So let me enter in this information and then be right back. Nice, okay, so I'm not sure if you all saw before, but the total that was kind of in the background over here for my order was like $59 or $56, something like that. But now that it registered my card, it shows me the delivery fee is fully waived. I pay normal taxes, sales tax, of course, and I can choose a tip as well. So instead of being $56, $59, whatever that was, it's now $48 all in. So now I'm going to go ahead and enter my contact information in case the shopper needs to get a hold of me for whatever reason. The delivery address is correct. I will select to leave the order at my door, which is great. That way, in case I'm not home, I don't have to worry about it. My payment method is on file, which is great. And then scrolling on down, I can adjust the shopper's tip as well to a preset value or choose other, and then the delivery time. So I'm recording this on Saturday, December 4th. So of course it shows you same day, December 4th, which is super cool. And then at the very bottom, if you have some specific delivery instructions you want to include, for example, a date code, or if you have some weird obscure front door, whatever it is, enter those details there. And there it is, cool, order placed. Thanks for your order. You'll receive an email confirmation shortly. There's my phone number there to text me any updates. How cool is that? So it shows me a whole tracking timeline, if you will. It shows me the order was placed. It will then notify me when the order was claimed by the shopper. Then the person will actually go shopping and find those items for me in the store. They'll then identify when the shopping experience is complete and then when the delivery was complete. So you can see the whole delivery sequence step by step. And by the way, I just got the mobile app here on my phone. I put it up on the screen for you all to see. So I'm currently on the shop tab right down here at the bottom menu. So it shows you can shop by all these different categories. Also look at the deals tab. I can click on my items to see my order, also my special requests if I had any, plus the orders tab, and check it out. There's my order right there. I can also tap on that tile to view more information. So definitely go download the Shipt app as well, because this seems to be a much better shopping experience, especially if you're out and about somewhere. You can get all the push notifications sent right to your phone. Also on the Shipt website, when I first enrolled, there was a little link for terms and conditions. So I wanted to pull those up here on the screen for you all to see as well. Of course, you can read them on your own time, but I wanted to mention a couple of quick bullet points here. First of all, this offer that is available from September 17th, 2021, which is already in the past, all the way through December 31st of 2024. As well as this point right here, eligible card members must use the card as the default payment method to redeem. So as you saw kind of earlier in the video, make sure that whatever card you use to enroll is also the one that you're going to use to pay for your orders going forward. So that way everything syncs up properly and your benefits will be activated. Also, as one more point here, I went to target.com directly And I'm just looking at some Apple AirPods here, and it does show for the delivery right here in the middle option, get it as soon as 2 p.m. today with Shipt. So even though I went to shipt.com because I enrolled for the first time, and then from there I was pushed out to Target, it seems like you can also go directly to target.com and then choose Shipt as delivery as well. So either way, it doesn't really matter which experience pathway you choose. As long as you have your Shipt membership activated, you should be good to go. And it's now about 2 o'clock p.m. and the delivery was a success. Gotta say, the entire Shipt experience really impressed me, and one of the most important features to me was actually the communication back and forth with David, who was my shopper on this trip. So I ordered 5 of those V-neck t-shirts. Here's a little bit of our chat back and forth right here, and there were only 3 of them left in stock at the local Target. So he actually only purchased those 3, and the rest of them were actually refunded because even though I paid all 5 up front on my card, plus a little extra as well, the actual total bill at the very end was less, and that was reflected here. So my final receipt showed a quantity of 3 with a lower amount as well. So as a nice little thank you, I also upped his tip from $5 to $10, and the entire transaction total was taken care of all on its own. So I didn't have to do anything to change my cart, change my order, or anything like that. In fact, when I then logged into my US Bank mobile app and I saw my pending transactions, I saw the credit of $22.85 already waiting there for me because of the change in quantity and purchase total. I probably won't be doing delivery for everything because again, they don't partner with every single store, and I also do like to get out and about and do some errands and get some fresh air outside as well. But for the moments where you really want some added convenience in your life to not do all the shopping and just have stuff delivered right to your front door, I've got to say, Shipt was a very, very great experience. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a fantastic app to manage all your credit cards and rewards in one place. There are also a ton of other great features that come with the app, including being able to monitor your credit score, seeing when annual fees are due, checking your utilization, transactions, and a whole lot more. And then if you also sign up for MAXREWARDS Gold by using the link down below in the description to get your first month free for that level, a bunch of additional features are unlocked to help you even manage some of the perks and benefits and spending categories that change with different cards. So if you ever get tired of logging in and out of a whole bunch of different bank apps to manage all your cards, definitely check out MAXREWARDS using that link down below to really simplify your card management. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I look forward to seeing you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.